Now inkampani yabangcwabi yazi ukuthi ke indaba dignified funerals it's ke sikhulu ke isidingo sokuthi ke kufundiswe ke ngeintsha ke yaseNingizimu Afrika ngokubaleka ke ukuthatha ke insurance. Now le nkampani veze ukuthi ke kubonakala ke kunegebe ikakhulukazi kuyona ke intsha ngokuqonda ke ngokubaleka kwawo ke ama funeral policies. Kanti ke kukhuluma kabanzi ngakho ke kuloke nje uhlelo lethu sinaye ke umama uKhanye Ngcobo ovela kuyona ke le nkampani noma ke osihlalo ngaphansi kwayo ke indaba dignified funerals. Kanti ke ukhona naye ke uMr Thulane Thabethe o Chief Marketing ngaphansi kwayo ke indaba dignified funerals. Sikhuluma kabanzi ngakho ke abakwenzayo ngaphansi kwayo ke le nkampani. Ngikubingelele mbukeli igama lami nguSimangele Sibongo ngwakachirwa ubukela uhlelo iCatering News Talk. Asiqhuquzele ke mbukeli bayingxenye yale uhlelo sebenzisa ke inkundla zethu zokuxhumana ukudlulisa ke nje ukuphala kwakho noma ke nje umbuzo wakho onawo kuzona ke ihambeli zethu ukubona ke ubusuku banamhlanje uvula khombukeli lubalekile kakhulu kulohlelo lethu kungakho siqhuquzela ukuthi ke usebenzise inkundla zethu zokuxhumana ukuze ukwazi ukuthi ube ingxenye yaloke uhlelo esikuthulela lona kubona ke ubusuku banamhlanje bamngcobo kanjalo nomsitha bathi kwintokozo enkulu ukuthi sibe nani kwi News Talk. Asinibingelele
sibingelele nababukeli be1KZN. Siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi nibe nathi.
Yeah, kwintokozo enkulu ukuthi sibe nani. Ngicabanga ukuthi njengoba nginani la ohlelweni kubuya isithombe sasibona ku social media where we saw a family dragging umzimba womuntu wabo sishonile so that they can prove ukuthi ngempela lo muntu usedlulile emhlabeni. Izinto ezifana njengalezo mangabe usuku ukhuluma nama companies afana njengani ziyayizifike ndizizilethela ukuthuka ukuthi kuyayikhokhwe kahle isikhathi sonke ukuthi mase kufike leso sikhathi kube khona i-disappointment. Iziphi izinto eziyilidele lokho we know ukuthi ni indaba eyanihlangene nalokho but iziphi izinto mbukela ngazenza to avoid ukuthi ayithole sekulesa simo sesibonile ku social media?
Ngingathi kubalekile ukuthi uma uthatha ukhetha inkampani ofuna ukuthi ikugcwabele wenze due diligence check i-track record yabo. Do they keep their word? Are they transparent? Uma usayina enza sure ukuthi uyafunda even ne-fine print ukuthi kuthiwa yini ozo and when it comes to claim stage utholani yini ongayitholi.
And kubaleka kangakanani aveza uMamNgcobo mayikhuluma ngendaba ye due diligence making your own research in terms of how the company ukusebenza kwayo kubaleke kangakanani?
Kubaleke kakhulu. First and most important into i-client kumele check ukuthi inayo yini i-FSP. Umshwalense o-registered kumele ube ne-FSP number. So mawuqala uxhumana noma yomuphi umshwalense onawo ucela i-FSP number okokuqala ke lokho. Okwabusithu kubalekile ukuthi ucheck ukuthi umshwalense unayo yini i-underwriter ngoba kusemthethweni ukuthi wonke umasingcwabisana ukhona ube ne-underwriter. Uyakwazi ke futhi ukuchecka naye underwriter ukuthi ngempela lo mshwalense lo uni underwriter yawo na niyawazi yini. So kubalekile lokho kakhulu. Then okulula mhla sempo umuntu angakwazi ukwenza ukuthi achecke ngisho ku Facebook ukuthi ama comments athini abantu bathini ngalo mshwalense ama experiences wabo athini. Futhi okunye kubalekile ukuthi le nkampani ibe khona isikhathi eside kangakanani. Kubalekile lokho kakhulu. Thina ezindaba sina over 22 years in the market. I-track record yazishelo ngisho ngaye izinto ezifana njenga website zikhona yini ukucheck lokho ngokuphelela kwabo before uqala ubone ngathi le cheap yiyengcono ngikhetha yona. Yizi izinto kumele uqale ngazo. Siundaba siye sithande kakhulu ukuthi yonke into yethu ibe semthethweni yonke into yethu ihamba ngohlelo.
Siyazi ukuthi sisenyangeni kaMarch inyanga yamalungelo. I know ukuthi you're not here to speak on behalf of ama customer but ngiyafuna ukubheka la ukuthi in terms of amalungelo uma umbukeli ethatha ipolicy kunina athini mhlawumbe amalungelo akhe nje briefly because we're still going to talk about okunye okuningi kakhulu.
So amalungelo umuntu methatha ipolicy ukuthi lento I promise yona ayithole. Yeah, you cannot go back on what you have promised. So musayina lapha nje dotted lines fanele wazi ukuthi what you are signing up to.
Okay.
And also uyakwazi nokuthi usise ombudsman or whatever if kufika isikhathi sokuthi uyaclaima zonke izinto owawupromise zona ingasenzeki.
And how important it is for umbukeli ekhaya or i-customer kule instance esikhuluma ngayo ukuthi awaqonda amalungelo akhe mangabe ethatha ipolice, because you'll find ukuthi omunye uyathatha nje athi ayingenzele ukuthi makuthi ngidlulile emhlabeni or else mhlawumbe kuba nenkinga ekhaya kube ukuthi uya covered, but lezo zinto zamalungelo akhe izinto abangayinaki, hence kugcina sekufika kulesa simo sisibone lapha on the social media, just to educate umbukeli as indaba dignified funerals. How important it is for umbukeli ukuthi awazi amalungelo akhe uma ngabe ethatha ipolice.
Yeah, so kubaluleke kakhulu ukuthi azi futhi ekwazini kwakhe leyo nto angayigcini to yena, because angithi uma uthathela ifamily, ne extended family. So your immediate family or whoever you trust must know ukuthi uthatha ipolice, ube ne policy document onikwa yona, and they must know where you keep izinto ezibalekile, so that when ngisho ngathi wakushona wena ke who is the main member, ama dependents or whoever will be responsible must know ukuthi what did you sign up for, and as ukuthi amalungelo athini. That is why thina kandabe uma sign up uthola i-document yakho enayo yonke ama-offerings that we offer, and you sign ukuthi ngempela kuyikona.
It's a big trick uma Mncoma ngabe pendula athi you need to tell everyone at home bazi, because ubaba will take police and akufihle kanti because usangifuni ukuphela la bese ngithole sengiyabulawa because sefunda sayebeza umama or anybody ungasabukusho. How do you then strike a balance to make sure ukuthi ngampela kodwa abantu abakhona bayazi kubaleka kangakanani for umbukeli mhlawumbe na that mentality to say ukuthi I don't want to share that information because angifuni ukuthi ngithole sengiba i-victim because of ukuthi ngisuke ngadisclose ukuthi there is a policy engiyithathile. How important it is just ukuvula amehlo ombukeli mhlawumbe analowo mqondo ofana nalowo.
Kubaluleke kakhulu. Ngifuna uqala ngigcizelele kulento eceda ukukhuluma uMama Khanyo ngendaba ukuthi more client amalungelo wakho kumele wazi. I-policy ne-policy oyithathayo ngisho kuyo masingcwabisane ihambelana nento okubizwa kuthiwa ama-terms and conditions. So ama-terms and conditions abalulekile ukuthi kahle kahle umshwalense wami ukhokha nini makwenzeni kanjani and awukhokhi makwenzeni nini kanjani. Okokuqala lokho bese futhi umuntu understand ukuthi in fact as Undabe si proud ukuthi we one of the first insurance companies ezenza ama terms and conditions ngesizulu. Yeah, we are about to release that. It's a first in the market. Ngoba kubalulekile ukuthi siwa educate ama client wethu and si communicate now ngelanguage azo understand azoyizwa. So esikhathini esiningi siyasibona ukuthi ngisho ama terms wama insurance akuthulula ukuthi wa understand. Kodwa mawabeka ngelanguage I client ezo understand eyenza ukuthi kube lula lokho.
You've just answered the question that was going bengiyakona umukhuluma ukuthi kubalekile ukuthi baqonda amalungelo abo. Just to look at ukuthi mina as Indabe dignified funerals ngihamba isigaba singakanani ukumlekelela ucustom ukuthi aqonde ngokwamalungelo akhe anawo. But you've just answered that question. Asibambe mhlambe masofuna ngicela sibambe sithengise mangabe sibese sikunike ithuba ukuthi wonke kabanzi ngokulelo phuzu libalekile kakhulu. Asithengise imbolo catering talk mangabe sibuye singena kuthi isigaba sesibilisalo nje uhlelo lakho i-catering talk oyibukelayo. Asibingelele mbukeli sikwamkeleke kusoke isigaba sesibilisalo nje uhlelo lakho i-catering news talk oyibukela. Igama lami nguSimangele, isibongo sami ngwakachirwa kanti ke mosanda kuvulela mabona kude wakho angikhumbuza ukuthi kuleko uhlelo lethu sinayeke umama uKhanyo Ngcobe ochairperson kuyona ke inkampani yabangcwabi yazwa ukuthi ke Indabe dignified funerals. Sinayeke na uMr Thula Ntabethe ovela ngaphansi kwayo ke le nkampani as chief marketing. Sikhuluma nabo ngazo nje inhlelo abanazo nje bade beveza isigabeni sokuqala ukuthi part of what they're doing as a company to ensure ukuthi ke wonke umuntu noma bonke amakhasimende abo ayaqonda ngokuphelela aphinda aqonde nangamalungelo njoba sebeqhamuke nalohlelo lokuthi ke babe neversion yesiZulu so that bonke umuntu ezokwazi ukuthi ke aqonde ngamalungelo nanokuthi ipolice mabemnika iqokethe ini nani ngicabanga ukuthi ezinye izinto edinga ukuthi kuyishayelwe ihlombe ezenziwa ngaphansi kwayo ke lenkampani sikhuthaze ke mbukeli do engage with us sebenzisa ke inkundla zethu zokuxhumana ukudlulisa ke nje umbuzo wakho kuzona ke ihambeli zethu zikhona kuloke nje uhlelo lethu ku Facebook we are KZN News Talk and on Twitter or on X we are KZN News Talk uvula khombukeli lubalekile kuluhlelo lethu kungakho siqoquzela sebenzisa ke inkundla zethu zokuxhumana ukuba ingxenye yaloko lolu hlelo sikuthola lona kulona ke usuku namhlanje uveze iphuzu libalekile kakhulu mthetho bethu uma uveze iphuzu lokuthi ezinye izinto enqhamuka nazo zenkampani company ukuthi niqhamuke neZulu version whereby you want to make sure ukuthi wonke umuntu akasali ngaphandle uma sikhuluma ngamalungelo uma ngabe umuntu ukhuluma ngepolice uqonda ngokuphelele noma ngabe kuthiwa umunye akayanga esikoleni but akazokusalela emuva they will understand exactly ukuthi ipolice yakhe iqukethe ukuthina nani mhlambe expand on that ukuthi why for nina as a company ukuthi lokhu kubaleke kangaka ukuthi niqhamuke nakho
sithe masizibuza thina izinkampani ukuthi kuye wonke lama videos esiwabonayo atrendayo ku social media adalwa yini sathola ukuthi I understanding ye product and futhi ukuba semthethweni kwe product so sabona ukuthi kubalekile ukuthi wonke umuntu ozoza kithi athi uzofuna iproduct yethu I understand ngokuphelele so ingakho sibonela ukuthi insurance isaseyintsha kubantu bakithi entweni eziningi so ezinye izinto ngazithatha for granted ukuthi wonke umuntu yazi understand ngisho nabo abayile who have degrees or educated it's not just laba abangafundanga it's everyone ngoba it's a new thing to us so as a result sasabona ukuthi as undabe kubalekile ukuthi siyenze ukuthi kube lula ukuthi ama client wethu understand furthermore sine process yethu allow ukuthi senze sure ukuthi client le understand into elitha package elithathe nathi and futhi liyakwazi ukuyi afford sine QA process ethi sales agent yethu seyiqedile iQA process ibuyele ku client imbuzo ukuthi uye understand into ayithathile yini adinga ukuthi simsize ngayo ukuzokwazi yini futhi ukuyi afford so that I process by the time client liba ilunga lethu li understand yonke into yasithokozisa lokho kakhulu
okay umsithabede did point out ukuthi you've been operating for more than 20 years mhlamba singedela sibhe ukuthi as a co-founder of the company iliphi leli gebe nalibona when you came up with Indaba Dignified Funerals
so my husband who is the co-founder with me wabona igap yokuthi kwenze ukuthi washonelwa yena qobo lwakhe yeah washonelwa umalume and indlela that they were running around befuna izinto and khona into esaso notice as abantu abamnyama ukuthi we are so used to being underserviced that we take it as a norm so he came up with the idea kwafika again ukuthi I can do this and futhi wayene experience ya insurance and ima esebenza yena wayengagcini kuphela ngokuthathisa abantu amapolice come claim stage umyamthatha umuntu yamphelezela aze aye ngisho kuma funeral parlors and that's where he saw ukuthi hayi man khona ungahambi kahle so when we started ke kwaba ukuthi introduce izinto ezingekho in the market like for example nje into yokuthi kufike kube nehearse kube ne family car because how do you expect umuntu ongenayo imoto ongena transport ukuthi akwazi ukuthi aye enkonzweni emgcwabeni misesontweni aphinda emathuneni and what we did was we even asikushiye ukuthi sokuthatha sikushiye emathuneni we take you back la sikulande khona ekhaya and what we pride ourselves with futhi is keeping time ukuthi we keep time if we family the ekseni ngo8 sicela nibe senifikile nizosiland we do that and enye into futhi sayibona in the market was le inhlanga lezi as understand ama needs omuntu omnyama so bazokwenzela umgcwabo and uzwe nisenkonzweni kuthiwe hayi iundertake sifikile sekufanele umfundisi ayeke manje so thina nje ifleet yenu eyenu the whole day sizwa ngani ukuthi niqeda nini, and we understand because siyazazi inkonzo ukuthi ningathi siphuma u1 but it will take long. Ngeke nizwe sekuthiwa nanga umuntu we-undertake usemile sekufanele umfundisa yeke. So those were the gaps that we saw in the industry ukuthi no man, we can do that, and also try to be a one-stop shop ukuthi uma usufikile Kandabe udinga itent uzolithola itent, udinga ukuthi igrocer uzoyithola igrocer, yeah, ungathi ushonelwe and grieving uyagijima besikwazi ngisho ukuthi sikwenzele i-death certificate until kwaba neyinkinga kwa home affairs, but we still assist you if you need transport to go there. So hamba sikumele ulayini bese wena uyafika because kufuneka manje kufike a member of the family, but nje we close all those gaps ukuthi kuleka sikhona sinawo.
Do you want to expand on ama services mhlambe to add on umamncolo?
Ekubuyeleni to the vision igap yabona uchairman wethu wa understand ukuthi imndeni ayifani and ukuthi imndeni ingafani ilifa lemnyama lifika noma kunini. Ama packages wethu are designed in such a way ukuthi ungaqala umncwabo uzoyoqeda ungena mali. Yeah. Kukanjalo impela.
Okay. Take us through that because ngiyazi ukuthi umbukeli wethu sefuna ukwazi ukuthi kanjani.
Ngoba si understand ukuthi if ugogo uvelelwa into kanje asesemakhaya kungena mali uzodinga imali yokuthi move around, uzodinga imali ukuthi afonele umndeni, so sinaso isipheko esishiya esikwazi ukuthi simncede ugogo, bese futhi sibuya sithi siya understand ukuthi makushoniwe abantweni bakithi kufika emndeni kufika ihlobo kufika amamakhelwane bafuna amatiya bafuna amakhekhe kudingakala zonke lezo zinto lezo. So igrocery yethu mongayibona ungamangala impela. One of the reasons esikhethwa abantu basithanda ngayo kakhulu especially la eZululand is because of igrocery that esinikezayo.
Nakhona kusenzekile nje ekhaya.
Yeah.
It's part of the police umuntu mangabe ithatha.
One of the other biggest challenges ku market ukuthi kunamaphala athi mangabe umfisi kahambile angamkwazi kumprepare kahle or angakwazi kumgeza. One of the services that we offer is ukuthi sikulungisela umufi ngokuphelela kwakhe ukuthi abe presentable. Say understand the grieving, say understand ukuthi the last memory that you want to have is the best memory. And into uchairman wethu ahlala isho isikhathi sonke ukuthi umncwabo unama corrections uwenza kayi-1 and kumele uwenze ngokuphelela. So we treat every and each funeral ngaleyo ndlela leyo.
Ngicabanga ukuthi izinto ezibalekile kakhulu mase sinqobo mangabe sibuya sokunikeza ithuba lokuthi unabe kabanzi la in terms of ukuthi how do you then differentiate between a legit funeral parlor and nalawo ama fly by night kumbukelo wethu, so sizokwazi uma ukhuluma ngendaba dignified funerals, okay yona illegit because of 1 and 2 and 3 uhlukanisa kanjani umbukelo wethu? Asithengise umbukelo wethu news mangabe sibuya singena kuso isigaba sokugcina saloko nje uhlelo lethu iKaizer News Talk oyibukelayo. Asibingelele mbukeli sikwamkeleke kusuke nje isigaba sokugcina saloke nje uhlelo lakho iKaizer News Talk oyibukelayo. Uhlelo loludlala njalo ngolesibili isikhathi esisodwa 7:30 wentandokazi kamabonakude wakho i1 Kaizer TV and on DSTV we are channel 261. Uyakwazi ke kubona ukusuka nokuhlala kwazo zonke inhlelo esithulela zona naloke nje lolu hlelo lakho oluyintandokazi kuyona ke iKaizer News Talk. Kanti ke kulesi sigaba sisanjelo uyena ke uMiss Uzama Shandu ovela kuyona ke inkampani yazwa ukuthi ke indaba ye-dignified funerals nokwazi nosebenza kuyona ke lenkampani i-sales agent. Sokhuluma naye ke kabantu ukuthola ukuthi ke mangabe sibheka yona ke lenkampani yiziphi izinto ke by offerisha in terms of wona amapholisa abanawo ngaphakathi kwayo ke lenkampani, kanti sisanaye ke yena ke uco-founder okuyena ke uMrs Khanyongcobo kuloko nje uhlelo lethu ovela ngaphansi kwayo also yona ke inkampani Indabe Dignified Funerals. Asibingelele Mashandu sikwamkele ku Kaizer News Talk.
Sanibonani. igama lami nguZamashando kwaKambatha from Esikhaweni branch. Ngiyabonga nje ukuthi ningamkele la ekhaya esizothula mayelana nomasingcwabisane esuphethe ukuthi useqophelweni eliphezulu indimuhle kodwa ke nizozwa ekhambeni lesikhathi ukuthi ngiphetheni.
Okay, all right. Mhlawumbe before we get into that one, let me give you this opportunity, Mam Ngcobo, just to siqedele that question that we spoke about before going to an outbreak. Blabe sikhuluma ngokuthi in terms of ukuthi ukwazi ukuhlukanisa ukuthi i-fly by night into le ewungqonga ngempela lo funeral phale mangabe ngibuka ayi akuyona yiziphi izinto mhlawumbe ungamcejisa ngazo umbukele uhlelo ukuthi nazi izinto kumele uyiqaphele ukuze ungayitholi usenkingeni.
Yeah, I think Mr. Thabethu beseyithintile into yokuthi fanele wazi ukuthi is this company registered, is it underwritten, because into ebalekile ngokuba underwritten as i-funeral parlor ukuthi uma say God forbid kwenzeka anything to us as the founders and kungawi nezimali zabantu ngoba si underwritiwe companies thina we are underwritten by Holland, so of course khathi la umuntu meclaima imali yakhe angeke ayithole. 2 balekile ukwazi ama office. Don't sign up to anything ongazi ukuthi bakuphi.
Yeah, because ugogo nje ubukela uhlelo lethu sekhaya mangabe uzokhuluma mhlambe ngokuthi fanele azi ukuthi registered and all of that kuyinto enzima kakhulu kugogo because ugogo semdala, but I think kuleli phuzu lokuqonda ukuthi ama office akephi ngicabanga ukuthi kugogo kuba lula kakhulu kuyena.
Ugogo futhi ababambi ayibanjwe bank konke ugogo ukholelwa ekubeni nebhuku lakhe angene office aphuzitiye asayine akhokhe futhi bakholelwa nje ukukhokha kukhe. So sinawo ama branch usazochaza usisi la, but nje into ebalekile banayo yini yona emotional ngoba phela babekwapha abantu benu uma umuntu esedlulile. So those are the things obona ngazo ukuthi this is legit, this is not legit.
Ngicabanga ukuthi amaphuzu abalekile kakhulu. There are going to take me to umbuzo ukuthi Mashando ukhuluma ngokuthi kubalekile ukuthi abantu baqonde nabo inkampani. Ukhuluma ngokuthi nama branch amaningi you are based eSikhaweni where you are coming from. Mhlawumbe siqale sibheka ama branch ukuthi mangakanani ama branch endabe akhona nje kulo lonke izwe laseNingizimu Afrika.
Ama branch asendabe maningi kakhulu. Maningi kakhulu eThekwini. But even Zululand sinayo eSikhaweni, eMpangeni, kanjalo noMtuba.
Okay.
NaseThekwini sikhona eSiphingo. Kahle sikhona yonke indawo eThekwini ngasho njalo, but even Nanda Mlazi siyatholakala.
Okay, alright. Ngiyafuna singene kuma services zenu manje usi-unpackele wona nje ukuthi ahamba kanjani.
Okay. Kandabe sinama cover i4.
Okay.
Sino Sinawe, sino Capeline, sino Domplane, sino Nkomo plane. Capeline is 24 hours removal. Lapho kwenzeka khona isimo siyamlanda umuntu wethu. Maye umuntu wethu ene cover yakandabe 24 hours siyakulanda.
Ngisho ngabe kuthiwa sekwenzeka ingozi emgwaqeni wase eshona lapho you do come izindabe lapho.
No.
Okay.
No.
All right.
Amaphoyisa lapho.
Okay.
But sasa umndeni wasifonela makune kube neaccident womuntu wethu and then sibe sesimthatha umuntu because we have emotional.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, siyamlanda sebenza for 24 hours simlande simuse emotional esisuke sinayo and sinawo ama emotional ko wonke ama branches. Simlande and then simgezele yena sikugqokisele sikassiste ukuthi siyokwenza i-death certificate. Asikwenzeli thina ezundabeni kepha siyakuphelezela ezikampani ukuthi khona ama families angenazo imoto siniphelezele because nilahlekelwe vela nikho right ibuye i-death certificate and then iphase i-deal sibuye sizohlela umncwabo ukuthi sincwaba kanjani. Sisahlela nje umncwabo sinegros umndeni ukuthi uyifisa while sisahlela umncwabo okanye uyifisa nangomncwabo igros ayithi ngendlela esimanga ukuthi even nangomncwabo ingahost umncwabo.
Really?
Yes.
Wow.
Okay, sibuye sizohlela umncwabo kamufi. Siuhlela kanjani kumncwabo? Siya prepare esontweni, siya decoratela. We have a program awukhala anesithombe sikamufi. We have a bogisi depend icover osuke ithathile. Sinalo amabhokisi if ufuna i-top up uthi ayingeke mina uma okay ube nale cover but leli bhokisi angilithandi. Sinawo ama-top up siyaku-top upela.
Mana ke ngiyafuna ukubheka la Mashando ukuthi i-top up iyiphi period ovumele ukuthi uyenze kuyona? Can I do it uma mesedlulile emhlabeni uyarela mhlawumbe ukuthi I don't like what I'm going to get here, noma it's advisable that you do mhlawumbe understand ipolicy oyithathile and then you can then do ama changes while you are still paying for ipolicy besaphila bonke abantu?
Most ama families ajwayele ukubona ukuthi asithopapheleni uma esihambile because uthothi uma une cover abantwana bazi ukuthi uma une cover njani. Yes, most ama families akathophape lo muntu wecover engasekho bethe because uma mhlawumbe besezingeni eliphezulu okanye bethi uma ngeke akazi ukuhamba ngebhasi nje at least asithi umthopaphela kancane. Yes.
And lokho kuye kudinge ini sisi for umbukeli wethu mhlawumbe ubukela uhlelo?
For ama top up depend ukuthi ube ne cover ekanjani. If like benza ukuchazela ngo Capline, uCapline sinama box ethi mahle kakhulu ngendlela esimanga, but futhi nama top up ethu mahle. Athi umndeni ngisacela ukuthi ngitop up sengithanda leli. And then uzosinikeza ucash ukuthi sikwazi ukumtop upela leli bhokisi alifunayo ngaleso sikhathi. Yes.
Ngicabanga ukuthi kwaba ngibenza ubulungisa makuthiwa ngikubuza lo mbuzo kakhulu kanje ngoba introduction I did highlight something that you're also concerned about is funeral parlor, which you don't see inombolo zabantu abasha bethatha amapolice and as a young person okhona ngaphansi kwayo indaba dignified funerals. How important it is if you have to speak to abantu abasha ababukela ihlelo basayibukela ukuthi indaba yama policies ukuthi no we still have isikhathi eside thina, it's not important kunabupho ubungozi for a person under that mentality?
It's very important ukuthi ube ne police. Ukuya kuNkulunkulu uma uNkulunkulu esekuthathile akuyi ngeminyaka uyakuthatha ufike emhlabeni. So akunaminyaka ukuthi upolice uyithatha uneminyaka engakanani. Even umntwana efika emhlabeni abazali bakubalekile ukuthi behambe beyojoinela umntwana wabo ukuthi abe ne cover. Ngobani na if usehanjelwe even umntwana ona 2 years futhi 2 years imkhulu one day uyahamba befike kuthina akunalutho ekhaya emumva akunalutho. Kanti thina the time ujoine kuthina kungenalutho ekhaya but uzobona umngcwabo wakho umuhle ngendlela eyisimanga.
Ngamanye amazwi uyakwazi ukulifihla ihlazo lomuntu.
Ihlazo lomuntu siyalifihla ngo day 1 umuntu ehambile until size sifike ekugcineni iphela inkonzo yethu undabe usuku usuwenze yonke into kungenalutho ekhaya. Ngizolinganisa nje uthe kubaleka kangakanani ukuthi iyouth ibe nomshwarensi. Iyouth ayikuthi kumele uze usebenze ukuze ube nomshwarensi. Ngisho ungasebenzi sinayo even ipolicy eqala ku50 rand. 50 rand per month. So ngo50 rand wakho umngcwabo wakho ngaba muhle. Thothi uhamba ungakashadi but umngcwabo wakho sewusuku lakho lokushada because we have even ama red carpets siyahlobisela kube kuhle uzwe even nefamily ingakufeel ukuthi sihanjelwe ebone nje ubuhle bungaka ngosuku lwakho lokuhamba emhlabeni.
Ngicabanga ukuthi into ebalekile kakhulu le oyivisa kakhulukazi ukubona abantu abasha because we know ukuthi abanye abasebenzi when you're saying ukuthi ezilihlezi u50 rand you can be able ukuthi ukwazi uthathe police. I think it's something that is very important and I believe ukuthi ababukeli bethu particularly abantu abasha bayizulelo information and kukhona abazokwenza sesemaphethelena lohlelo lethu ngiyafuna ukuthi nje mhlawumbe just sicheck la kumbukeli wethu ukuthi we know ukuthi maningi ama funeral parlors ekhona vele ezweni laseNingizimu Afrika for umbukeli wethu obukela uhlelo ozofunda for the first time omunye ukuthi there is Indaba kunenkampani ekuthiwa Indaba. Why should they choose Indaba and not choose amanye? I know you've mentioned vele isigabeni sesibili sohlelo ukuthi ziningi izinto eni-offerishayo ezihlukile eni-offerisha is just Indaba, just maybe to put emphasis on those points kumbukeli wethu ongathi why kumele ngekhethi Indaba.
So kaNdaba islogan sethu nje sithi we go beyond expectation. And because we understand ama needs omuntu osuke eshonelwe, we go beyond expectation okwangempela.
It's not just a saying, it's something eyenzakala
yes. And we identify with people because nathi sesike sashonelwe. And also as Indaba dignified, let Gamelity dignified, it's not just an add-on, it is dignified. And what informs that is the heart. Everything we do, we don't just do, we do with the heart because we everything is based on uNkulunkulu. We work for Christ. That's just who we are as Indaba Funeral. And that is what sets us apart. We are not just a company eyenza for profits, but we do it sibuke umuntu sabuka umuntu omnyama ukuthi udingani from and asikhethi ibala asikhethi ukuthi uphuma kuyiphi background asinge status uma uhambele umngcwabe wagogo obeyiholela impesheni uzothola ukuthi dignity is there. The funeral is dignified. Go to high profile, there's dignity.
Lapha kuma social media siphinde futhi even Undabe Dignified Funerals sinawo ka Facebook, Instagram, even TikTok. Sinabo siyatholakala nje ungasidema even ufuna ukuzwa ngama comment uze ukuthi qhubekalani kaNdabe hamba ufunda ama comments abantu bethu esinabo kaNdabe kanjalo futhi uNdabe unayo inamba etholakala kuyona e082 953 0621 082 953 0621.
Okay.
Thank you.
And that's a WhatsApp number.
It's a WhatsApp number, yes, ekambani.
So for ababukeli bethu mhlawumbe abafuna ukuthi get more information kusuka kule interviews bangasebenzisa le number then bakwazi ukuthi bathole zonke impendulo zabo. Mrs Ngcobo asimbonga kakhulu ngesikhathi sakho kanjalo no Mrs kanjalo no Miss Ushando asimbonga kakhulu ngesikhathi nebenzisipheso nakulihlelo lethu iKZN News Talk kube into kwezenkulu ukuthi benani
Sibongile kakhulu.
Asibonge kakhulu. Sifinyelele kona ngamaphethelo aluhlelo bethu kuthulela lona kuloke usuku namhlanje. Simangelo kaChiro ngihamba nalo lonke ke ithimba leKZN News Talk. Asifuna futhi ke hlangana